What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore something that combines technology, art, and our favorite beverages, the 3D Latte Art Coffee Printer machine. This machine is not just a printer. It's a game changer for coffee lovers, cafes, and anyone looking to elevate their beverage game. One of the key features that caught my attention is the high-security, patented proprietary box that meets the standard of food security. This is not just a fancy term. It means that the device is designed with safety in mind, ensuring that the ink used is food-grade and certified by SGS, a reputable organization for food safety certification. This is a significant benefit for users, especially businesses, as it guarantees the safety of their customers. Imagine being able to serve coffee with personalized designs without worrying about the safety of the materials used. The atmosphere lamp design is another feature that enhances the overall experience, creating a cozier ambience that blends perfectly with any setting. Another feature that stands out is the ability to differentiate your brand by printing personalized designs on food and drinks. This is a dream come true for businesses looking to make their brand more recognizable and influential in the industry. Imagine serving coffee with your company's logo or a special message that resonates with your customers. This level of personalization can significantly enhance customer engagement and loyalty. The machine is applicable in various scenes, including homes, cafes, restaurants, hotels, and bars, making it a versatile tool for anyone looking to add a unique touch to their beverages. The machine itself is a marvel of engineering, with a full metal frame and exterior made from high-quality solid materials. The biaxial rotation system and LCD touchscreen, which can be rotated from 0 to 60 degrees for the best viewing angle, make it easy to use and navigate. The fact that it's a standalone machine with Wi-Fi connectivity means you don't need any other devices to operate it. Simply scan the code on your mobile phone to upload the pattern you want to print and adjust the parameters. This level of convenience and ease of use is unparalleled, making it accessible to anyone, regardless of their technical expertise. What's truly amazing about this machine is its speed and versatility. You can print any desired image or text in as fast as 20 seconds, creating inspiring art designs atop the froth layer of your coffee, both hot and cold. The fact that you don't need an app to upload images and can simply scan a QR code or input a URL makes the process seamless and efficient. Whether you're a coffee aficionado, a business owner, or just someone who appreciates the beauty of art in everyday life, this machine is sure to impress. In conclusion, the 3D Latte Art Coffee Printer machine is a revolutionary device that combines technology, art, and safety to create a unique experience for coffee lovers and businesses alike. With its high-security features, ease of use, and versatility, it's an investment worth considering. If you're as excited as I am about this technology, be sure to check out the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this incredible machine. Don't miss out on the opportunity to